All right, picture this. You're staring at your bank statement, a knot forming in your stomach. Subscriptions you forgot, charges you don't recognize, and that sinking feeling of money slipping through your fingers. Sound familiar? We've all been there. You've heard about Rocket Money, the app that promises to be your financial superhero, slashing those unwanted expenses. But you've hit a snag. Maybe you need to dispute a charge, cancel a subscription they missed, or just have a burning question. You're thinking, how do I even contact these people? You've searched their website, poked around their app, and you're left wondering, is there a secret handshake? A bat signal I'm missing? You're not alone. Navigating customer service in today's digital age can feel like deciphering an ancient scroll, especially when you're dealing with something as sensitive as your finances. So, today, we're going to cut through the confusion and get you the answers you need. We're going to dive deep into the world of Rocket Money, specifically, how to contact them via email. Yes, email. In a world of chatbots and automated phone systems, sometimes the good old-fashioned email is still the most effective way to get your point across. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why email? Why not a phone number? Why not a live chat? Well, email offers several advantages. It provides a written record of your communication, which is crucial when dealing with financial matters. You can clearly articulate your issue, attach relevant screenshots or documents, and take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Plus, it allows Rocket Money's support team to thoroughly investigate your problem and provide a detailed response. Now, you might be thinking, okay, great, email. But where do I find the darn email address? This is where things can get a little tricky. Rocket Money, like many modern tech companies, prioritizes in-app support and FAQs. However, they do provide avenues for email communication, though it might not be as prominently displayed as you'd expect. Here's the breakdown. The Help Center and Contact Form. The primary method for contacting Rocket Money via email is through their Help Center. Start by visiting the Rocket Money website or navigating to the Help section within the app. Look for a Contact Us or Help link. This will typically lead you to a knowledge base or FAQ section. While browsing, you'll likely find articles addressing common issues. But buried within those help sections, you'll find a contact form. This is your gateway to email communication. Filling out the contact form. When you find the contact form, be prepared to provide detailed information. This is where clarity is key. Include your name, email address associated with your Rocket Money account, and a subject line that clearly summarizes your issue. For example, subscription cancellation issue or dispute of unauthorized charge. Crafting your message. This is the most crucial part. Take your time and write a clear, concise, and professional email. Be specific about your issue, providing as much detail as possible. If you're disputing a charge, include the date, amount, and description of the transaction. If you're having trouble canceling a subscription, mention the name of the subscription and the steps you've already taken. Attaching supporting documents. If you have any screenshots, transaction records, or other relevant documents, attach them to your email. This can help Rocket Money's support team understand your issue and provide a faster resolution. Following up, after submitting your form, keep an eye on your inbox for a response. Rocket Money typically responds within a reasonable time frame, but it may take longer depending on the complexity of your issue. If you haven't received a response within a few business days, don't hesitate to send a follow-up email. Direct email, when possible. While the contact form is the primary method, some users have reported success in finding specific email addresses through various means. This might involve searching online forums, social media, or even looking for contact information in legal documents or privacy policies. However, this is not a guaranteed method, and the effectiveness may vary. Social media. While not directly email, Rocket Money does have a presence on social media platforms like Twitter. You can try reaching out to them through direct messages or by tagging them in a public post. While this might not result in a direct email response, it can sometimes get their attention and lead to a resolution. Understanding the process, remember, customer service is a two-way street. Be patient and respectful in your communication. Understand that Rocket Money's support team is there to help you, and they'll need time to investigate and resolve your issue. Common issues and solutions. Before contacting support, take a moment to browse the Help Center and FAQ section. You might find that your issue has already been addressed. Common issues include subscription cancellations, charge disputes, and account access problems. Often, the solutions are straightforward and can be found in the help resources. Documentation. Keep a record of all your communication with Rocket Money. Save copies of your emails, screenshots, and any other relevant documents. This will be helpful if you need to escalate your issue or provide evidence of your communication. Escalation. If you're not satisfied with the response you receive, don't hesitate to escalate your issue. Explain why you're not satisfied and what you expect from Rocket Money. Be prepared to provide additional information or documentation to support your claim. Alternative solutions. While waiting for a response, consider alternative solutions. For example, if you're disputing a charge, you can also contact your bank or credit card company directly. They may be able to provide additional assistance. Reviews and feedback. After your issue is resolved, consider leaving a review or providing feedback. This can help Rocket Money improve its customer service and help other users who may be experiencing similar problems. Prevention. The best way to avoid customer service issues is to be proactive. Regularly review your subscriptions and bank statements. Set up alerts for unusual activity and take steps to protect your account security. Utilizing in-app support. Rocket Money's in-app support is very robust. Many problems can be solved directly within the app. Before going to email, explore the app's help system. Understanding Rocket Money's limitations. Rocket Money is a tool, and like any tool, it has limitations. It can't magically solve all your financial problems. Understanding what Rocket Money can and cannot do will help manage your expectations and prevent frustration. Privacy concerns. When contacting customer service, be mindful of the information you share. Avoid sharing sensitive information like your social security number or full credit card number. Time zones and business hours. Keep in mind that Rocket Money's support team may operate in a specific time zone. If you're contacting them from a different time zone, be patient and allow for a longer response time. Community forums and social media groups. Online communities can be a valuable resource for finding answers to your questions. Search for forums or social media groups related to Rocket Money. You may find that other users have experienced similar issues and can provide helpful advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.